Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change a URL slug in Squarespace. This is a really useful skill to have because a clean, descriptive URL slug can improve your site's SEO and make your pages easier to find and share. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. From the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to change the URL slug. This action will open up the editor for that particular site, giving you access to all the customization options you need. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there, but for this task, you want to click on Website. Once you click that, a submenu will appear underneath it. From that submenu, go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you'll find all the individual pages that make up your website. The Pages section will display a list of all your site's pages, whether they're part of your main navigation, blog posts, or other sections. Browse through and select the specific page whose URL slug you want to change. Once you've found it, look for the gear icon beside the page name. This gear icon represents the settings for that particular page, so click on it to proceed. Clicking the gear icon will open up the page settings panel. By default, you'll be on the General tab, which is exactly where you need to be. Scroll through the options until you see a field labeled URL slug. This field displays the current URL slug for the page, which is the part of the web address that comes after your domain name. Click directly on the URL slug field and you'll be able to edit it. This is where you can type in a new slug that better describes your page content or improves readability. Keep it simple, use hyphens between words, and avoid special characters to ensure the URL works properly across all browsers. Once you've entered your new URL slug and you're happy with how it looks, make sure to click Save. This button is usually located at the bottom of the settings panel. Clicking Save will apply your changes immediately, and your page will now be accessible via the new URL slug you just created. And that's it. You've successfully changed the URL slug for your Squarespace page, making it more user-friendly and optimized for search engines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.